Hi, good morning everyone. This is Chantal Yuri, MLM Guider and Mentor. Today I will going to make a video tutorial on how to add our Bitcoin wallet into our MMM account. So this is the main dashboard, as I said. And then this is the landing page or the login page in MMM. So you must have to bookmark this one so that it will not be hard on your side how to remember this official website. So guys, as I said, we are going to add our Bitcoin wallet into our MMM since we are new in this system. So all you have to do is to click this account button, this one account, and then after that one, it will go like this. Since my account is already have BTC wallet, and we are using my account as a demo account for this particular video. So all you have to do is you hit this button add and then wait until the page is going to be added and then type the name of your Bitcoin wallet that you wanted to use. I use this one like this. Then after this one, click this button. Instead of MMK, you must have to click this one and choose Bitcoin. And then bank type also use Bitcoin again. So automatically, this goes like this. Word Bitcoin will going to reflect on this particular button here, but also going to be black, so you cannot type this one anymore. So bank account number, you should have to type or input your, probably you must have to copy paste your Bitcoin wallet for you to not get mistaken. So we have to do this one. So earlier today, I saved one of the BTC wallet to use this demo. So I'm going to make this and copy this one, and then make this one, and then paste it here. After it reflects like this, you must have to click the save button. Okay, click the save button, and then something like that, and then click save. So since I already have my own account, I will going to cancel this one. It goes like this. It reflects like this. So the details will be like this. But earlier, I used to that mistake with the country code. But it's okay, guys. If you forget to change this one, but it's okay. As long as the bank type is Bitcoin and you already have input your BTC wallet address. So that's simple and easy. You already have your BTC wallet and you can start doing any transaction in your new and global account. So once again, this is Chantal Yuri, together with Change to